In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter billable time for employees and contractors in QuickBooks Online using QuickBooks Time. Hi everyone! If you need to track time that can be billed to your clients and make sure it flows cleanly into your QuickBooks invoices, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to keep your records accurate and easy to manage. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company account. Once you're in, look to the left menu and click Time. This is your hub for anything related to time tracking. Next, choose Time Entries. This is where you'll launch QuickBooks Time so you can create entries that sync back to QuickBooks. Click the green Launch QuickBooks Time button. It opens the time tracking tool that integrates with your books, so what you record here will be available when you're ready to invoice. Inside QuickBooks Time, click the plus icon labeled Add Time Entry. If your team uses a live time clock, you can choose Clock In or Clock Out instead. The time clock is great for real-time tracking, while Add Time Entry is perfect for entering hours after the work is done. Start by selecting the employee or contractor whose time you're recording. Be sure you pick the correct person, especially if multiple people worked on the same job. Then, set the date of the work. Keeping the date accurate helps your reports and invoices reflect when work actually happened. Now enter either the start time and end time, or the total hours worked. Use start and end times if you want a detailed timeline. Use total hours if you just need the daily total. If breaks were taken, make sure the total reflects that. In the customer or project field, choose the client or project the time should be billed to. This step routes the hours to the right place so they appear as billable on your invoices. Next, mark the entry as billable. This tells QuickBooks the time should be available to add to a customer invoice later. If helpful, add a short description or note about the work performed. Notes like site visit, design revision, or training session can save you and your client time when reviewing charges. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the time entry. Repeat this process for any additional employees, contractors, or dates you need to capture. Consistency is key. Accurate entries here make billing faster and reduce back and forth with clients. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.